Very cool indeed. Just waiting on the guy to get here and we will film the... Hey! How you doing?
Hey.
What was your name?
Rick, how you doing, dog?
I don't know. I don't... This isn't... This is just the place...
Looks like you got a dog.
It's not my dog.
This dog better not bite me. Hey.
No, it's not my dog. It's the place...
Oh.
This is... Sorry, come in.
Hey, hi, I'm Rick. Are you...
Yeah, I'm Andrew.
Wait,
Sorry.
You filming this?
Yeah, this is a documentary, right? Bird documentary?
Bird documentary, yeah.
Right.
Okay, but I'm not camera ready.
Well, I'll go over here then, I mean... Yeah.
Okay, Andrew, well,
It is a beautiful dog, though.
can you send me to wardrobe then?
Yeah, we got a place back here you can change. Or it looks like there's a place back there. There's some pots. Yeah, just you can change back there. Nobody's gonna see you. There's no windows or cops or anything. I mean, you're not gonna get naked, are you? Not that. No, I don't want you to get naked. I'm just saying. I'm not like that. I have a girlfriend.
Bathroom.
Well, technically, this isn't my house, so.
Okay.
I actually came in over the fence.
Okay.
I don't have a key to get inside.
I'll
Do you want some coffee?
Yeah.
There was coffee here. I think it's a couple days old, but yeah, there's another one over there. Yeah, it's really.
Well, I guess I'll just get into costume and wait for the director and the crew to get here.
Oh, it's like I said, it's just me. Yeah, the coffee's a little cold. Sorry, it's not my coffee.
Okay. Great. Well, I'll go around the corner there and get into costume.
All right, I'll film some areas where we might find some birds. I'll work on my calls if you want me to.
Yeah.
Okay.
And, I don't know.
I'm gonna set the camera down and Anyway, guys, I'm just drinking this cold coffee. It's not mine. It helps warm up my voice though, so I can get warmed up. I'm gonna do some vocal exercises to get my bird calls ready. Did you get in? Son of a bitch. Alright guys, I think he got in, B-roll.
Of me in makeup. And where I need, I don't shave myself.
Right.
And I need to get shaved.
Well, I can do it. I'll be makeup. I'm technically everybody, so let's just get it going. Oh, shit. This is really hard to hold a camera and shave. Oh God! Oh, I'm sorry.
We're done. No, we're done. That's good.
Oh my God!
Okay. That's good. That's good.
It's not. You gotta.
That's good. We're good.
So sword fights.
I don't have any shoes.
That's fine. I won't. That's cool. We don't have to have shoes. It's a nice suit.
Wow. This is.
Again, here's a dog again. Is this? I can't believe there's a dog at this house if nobody's here.
Yeah.
You know, and it looks well fed.
This is creepy. I just want to take a second to say.
Can you get on the dog? Can you get on the dog? Can we do a?
This isn't dog documentary. This is bird.
But I think it would be cool, like if you were on the dog,
Hey, Andrew,
while we
I have an idea.
Yeah.
Why don't you get us some birds?
Okay.
To shoot this bird documentary.
Yeah, I can get us some birds. No problem.
We can just do that.
All right, guys. So I'm gonna get some birds over here. Where's the bird feeder?
There.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna go over here. to the bird feeder.
Okay, you want me to just roll on the bird feeder?
Where is the bird feeder?
This thing.
No,
is
that's
the
a
bird feeder.
bug zapper. It's not a bird feeder. Is it? Oh yeah. Okay, you're right. You're right.
Okay. Are you gonna do the sticks? You don't have.
I'll say action.
All right. And I'll just roll, I guess. On the...
And I'll try to get some birds. Okay. And action.
This yellow bird feeder attracts numerous birds from around the country: finches, starlings, robins, and sparrows.
Caw! 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 Is it working? I don't see any.
Inside the bird feeder is a type of seed, which, I'm sorry, the dog is shitting behind you. It was just shitting.
Let's go film that. That's...
No. Hey, Andrew.
Yeah.
Let's just stay on task here. Let's just find some
Oh.
parts and just kind
All
of...
right. Okay.
How's this lighting? How's the frame? Like,
It's a full body. Full body.
Well, no, that sucks.
It doesn't matter.
Okay, say action.
Action.
This statue is part of a bird bath where birds come to wash their bodies and toes. It keeps them company and acts as a lookout from predatory animals like wolves and coyotes and crows.
And ninjas. And action.
This statue is a testament to the enduring strength and what am I talking about?
Action.
This statue keeps the birds company while they play in this bird bath. The statue stands watch over them and protects them from predatory animals like coyotes and wolves and badgers and snakes and rats and ninjas.
Cut.
Yeah,
I'm doing.
Give me the camera. Give me
Okay.
the camera.
All right.
Give me the
Yeah.
camera.
Cool. You know how to work it?
No.
You just. It's already filming.
Okay.
If you want to stop
Go.
it.
Yeah, that's fine.
If you want to stop
Andrew,
it.
get some birds out here and
Right.
we can film this bird documentary.
we're gonna-
We can edit that out, right?
Yeah.
Doesn't matter.
No.
Here we go.
Okay.
Here we go. Action shot. Come
We're
on.
gonna get some birds. If you.
Do vocal warm-ups. Okay. Wait. No. I can't run so fast. I'm in my flip-flops.
Right, okay.
Wait. Shh.
All right. Here. This tree. Okay. Watch this. Watch this, buddy.
Yeah. What? You?
Yeah. I'm gonna stick my hand out, and I'm gonna get a bird.
On your hand?
Yeah. I just gotta call it right.
Wait. Could you get one to land on my hand? Yeah. You just roll.
We were already rolling. And I'm gonna call some birds.
Okay. And I'll talk too.
Okay.
Using. Oh, okay, hold on.
Sorry.
I gotta get.
Oh, well, I gotta get the bird
saw
here.
one right over there. Okay.
Yeah.
Using our special bird call, we attract a bird which will land on my finger. Birds are more friendly than most people think they are. They'll land right on your finger. Okay, I'm gonna, Andrew,
Huh?
let's cut.
Okay.
So, okay.
I mean, if all else fails, we'll just have like a clip art image of a bird, or I could like have my finger. Here, hold your hand out real quick. See if I can make this. That might work.
What?
Just talk.
Is that a bird?
Just talk.
Birds are Mother Nature's greatest creation. This one landed right on my finger. They're much more friendly than people give them credit for. Hey, little fella, how are you?
He's poking you. Okay,
I'm having a hard time understanding.
bird's gonna fly on your finger, and action.
This little fella came right up and landed on my finger. Birds are the friendliest animals in the world. They will come right up and land on your finger, like this one. Hi, little fella. How are you?
I'm fine, Rick. I'm fine, Rick.
Talkative little fella, isn't he?
I think it's a parrot.
It's a parrot. Okay, I can't. Cut.
Okay. Do you want to be friends, by the way? I didn't forget to ask you. Like, after this is over, I hope we don't lose contact. Like, maybe you want
This little bird
to get a pizza?
came and landed right on my finger. Birds are so friendly. They just love humans.
Wait. Okay. It looks like you're holding up a car with your finger.
That's
awesome.
okay. Silent, no talking. We'll just act it out. There are birds all over the place.
I know. I can hear them. I know.
Son of a bitch.
I'm not. What?
Okay.
Here.
Okay.
This looks.
We'll just act it.
That looks good. This is
acting.
a good frame.
Ow.
Okay. Ready?
Okay.
Ready. Set. Action. Very nice, buddy. I see it.
Okay.
All right, that'll work.
That's
yeah,
enough.
that's good. Oh, that's beautiful. Get some crotch. Can you get like an erection real quick?
Just Phil.
No, I think it'd look more manly if you had a bulge going.
I'm gonna do my own direction.
What was that?
The doorbell just rang.
Doorbell? Oh, shit.
Who is that?
I don't know. Who is it?
Is Rachel here?
Who's Rachel?
Sorry, what?
Is Rachel here?
Who's Rachel? I mean, yeah, who's Rachel?
She lives here.
What? Oh,
no.
Rachel. No. She,
Who's here?
groceries. Yeah, she said that she had to go to the movies and get some groceries.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
Can I wait inside?
No, absolutely not. You may not. She left me in charge. I am her older brother. I'm her older brother.
No, that's probably good. So yeah, you don't. You leave.
Yeah, get out.
Thanks.
Bye.
Thanks. Maybe come back later. Bye.
Bye, Felicia.
She's still standing here.
What do we do? Rick?
I'm in the bathroom.
What?
I'm in the bathroom.
Can I come in?
No!
Oh, God.
Jesus.
Oh, man. Spray some.
Still filming?
Yeah, spray
Turn
some.
the camera on.
Spray some air softener.
Turn the camera on,
No.
please.
This is an important moment in our life.
This is.
God. I'm no saint.
Bird.
Bird. Oh, my God. Is this a sign? Okay. Shh. We're finally doing it.
Okay. Oh, let me get. Oh,
Okay.
still there. Still there. I see another one.
All right.
Hold on. There, on the wall. Can you get me? Can you get me in frame? And I'll
I'm
say
trying.
something?
All right. Go.
Birds are nature's.
Back up. I can't get him. Oh, he flew away.
Bird.
Rick. Oh. Fly like an eagle.
Hello, Andrew. Are we gonna finish this thing?
Yeah, I was just trying to come up with a jingle about our documentary.
Okay, you left the camera going, buddy.
Yeah, I know. I wanted it to be part of the camera. If you wanna, I don't know if you want to hear it or not. I mean, you can sing along if you want. Just improv, right? Let me get in tune.
Cool. No, this would be good, actually. Birds are the most musical. Just let me talk.
Okay.
Just let me talk here, and then we'll. Birds are musical animals. And we're hoping that by playing music, we will attract some of them to us. This is world-renowned pianist. Go ahead. I'm done. Talk now.
Today we tried to call some birds. The birds came and then they flew. They said, not so loud. They said,
Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet.
birds are cool with me and my friend Ray.
Okay.
Birds